How to tag someone on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how we can tag someone while posting a TikTok. Let's dive right in. First, make sure to open the TikTok app and log into your account. Now, either click a video right now or get any video from the drafts that you have already saved. Once the video is ready, click on the text option at the side and write @ and mention the person that you want to tag. Edit and adjust the placement of the text that you want to put, and that's it. That is how you mention someone on TikTok. Now, as you'd upload the video, the mention would be shown at the screen and the person that you have mentioned will also know about your tag. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more similar tech tips.